All right. This is for all my friends that are in Florida. Because we have toys for big boys. So in Florida are missing this. This is snow, baby. You may have warm weather, but we got toys for big boys. Come there. That's what I'm talking about, baby. New York.
Stop.
Say hi.
Hi.
That's right. Y'all missing this. Come visit us in New York, all right?